Hi class, welcome back today to our math lesson. Our learning objective is I can compare 3D shapes. Read that with me. I can compare 3D shapes. Now just like we did yesterday when we compared 2D shapes, we're going to look at some 3D shapes today and we're going to think about how are they the same and how are they different. So I have got 3 shapes right here. They are all the same 3D shape. Do you know what shape this is? A sphere. You are right. It is a sphere. Let's look at these 3 spheres and think about how are they the same and how are they different? What do you notice? I notice that they're all the same because they are all the same shape. They are all a sphere. They're all round like a ball, right? But what is different about these 3 spheres? How are they different? Are they the same size? No, they're not. They're not the same size. This one is much smaller, and this one is bigger than this, but the apple sphere is the biggest of them all. Okay, so they're not the same size. How else are they different? Are they the same color? No, they are not the same color either. So there are some similarities and some differences. Let's look at our next shape. Right here, I have got 4 shapes that are, well, you tell me, what's the same about these 4 shapes? What's the same? They're all cubes, aren't they? Each one of these 4 shapes is a cube, okay? They all have the same flat sides. If you look at a cube, they all have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides or faces. They all have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 corners or vertices. Okay, what do you notice that's different about these cubes? I notice a couple things. Are they the same size? No, they're not. This one's very small. It's a very small cube. This one's much bigger. Okay, are they the same color? No, they're different colors. Okay. Do you think that they weigh the same? Do you think that they weigh the same amount? You're right, they don't. Some of these bigger cubes are heavier than this little cube. So that's just some similarities and differences about a cube. Let's look right here at these shapes. You can see that they are all the same shape. So that's one thing that's the same about them. Okay. They're all the same shape. What do they have? What else do they have that's the same? Yeah, since they're the same shape, they're all flat on the bottom with the point on the top. These are called cones. Okay, so they're all cones. What do you notice that's different about these 4 cones? What's different about these cones? Well, this cone's open on the bottom, isn't it? Do you see anything else that's different? Are they different sizes? They are different sizes. Are they different colors? Yep, they are. Do you think all of these cones can roll? These 3 do. This one, well, you know, this one probably won't roll just because it's got this thing on the bottom. Okay, all right, let's look at one more 3D shape. So far we've talked about cubes and cones and spheres. The last one I want to talk about is right here, cylinders. Okay, so you can put them like this, you can put them like this. What do you notice about these cylinders? What's the same? Same shape, right? They all have the same shape. Do they all have a circle on the top? Yep. Do they all have a circle on the bottom? Yes, they do. Okay. Are they the same size? No, they're not. That's one thing that's different. Okay, what else is different about these cylinders? Different colors, right? They're different colors. Do you think all 4 of these cylinders can roll? Let's see. So this one, yep. Because they're round, they've got circles, they can roll. Okay, so wait, let's think about that. These cylinders can roll, right? We know that a cone can roll. What about a sphere? Can a sphere roll? Let's try it. Oh, yes. Okay, now let's look at a cube. Will the cube roll the same? Kind of. I mean, it doesn't seem to roll as good as the other ones because it's got flat sides. So that's one way that these are the same and this one is different. Okay. Do you think that we could stack these? Let's try. Let's try to stack our cylinders. Will they stack? They will. Okay, let's try to stack our spheres. Do you think these will stack? Nope. Okay, let's try to stack our cubes. Let's see if our cubes will stack. Do they stack? Yes. Let's try to stack our cones. Do the cones stack? No. So that's some things that are similar and different. We know that our cylinders and our cubes will stack. And we know that our cones and our spheres will not stack. All right, friends, that's the end of our lesson today. Thank you for helping me compare our 3D shapes.